J0749 plus 2255 is a galaxy that merges two galaxies into one, and it has not one but two active supermassive black holes. It just so happens that these two black holes are on a collision course. It's not the first time we've seen an impending supermassive black hole collision, but J0749 plus 2255 is one of the rarest. The black holes were spotted early in the universe, and they are both extremely active quasars. There are many bright objects in the universe, but quasars are among the brightest. An active galaxy nucleus, the center of a galaxy containing a supermassive black hole actively consuming matter, is present in these galaxies. Currently, we cannot detect any light coming from black holes. Black hole material is heated by extreme friction and gravity, so it blazes across the vast gulfs of time and space, and not just shines. In the early universe, these mergers are harder to detect. In comparison with the stuff that's a lot closer to us, the light from J0749 plus 2255 has traveled for over 10 billion years. When supermassive black holes are bound together by gravity, the space between them is usually too small for our current instruments to see. They determined that the two black holes will likely become a gravitationally bound tight binary in around 220 million years, using observations from a number of ground and space-based telescopes. This binary's decaying orbit will eventually result in a collision and merger into an even more massive black hole. The two black holes are also relative chunkers, clocking in at 1.26 billion solar masses and 1.58 billion solar masses, respectively. As a result of the discovery of J0749 plus 2255 and the impending collision of its supermassive black hole, astronomers have a unique opportunity to study how massive black holes form and evolve in the early universe. We can learn more about black hole mergers in the cosmos through observations of this galaxy and others like it. As we study and explore the mysteries of our vast and awe-inspiring universe, we will unlock even more secrets.